Today we talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Over app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. And here can you looking for Over app. So or just click here on search. Then add here Over app here. Then you click on it. So then you click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down here, click on storage. So then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store here and you search for Over app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find your update, click on it and it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.